Hello, and welcome back to Quantitative Reasoning Online. Lesson 16, 16b to be precise, preview. So let's go look at 16b. And it's going to be a little complicated one here in terms of logistics of screens. But let's see. In this preview, we will look at weighted averages, and we're going to look at stacked columns graph and determine percentages off of them. Piece of cake. In this next class, we analyze stacked column graphs. The preview session will help you prepare by introducing some of the skills needed for the preview of lesson 16, part B. Looking for links. The next class, you revisit the concept of weighted averages, information about intelligence quotients from earlier lessons. Previous assignment 14C, you remember IQ scores, and refresh the information necessary by referring to this stuff. If you're going to do it, do not copy the dot. All right, we're going to do a review on weighted averages. All right. Now I'm doing a GPA. A 4-credit class has more weighted than a 3-credit, which weighs more than a 2-credit. So what we can do is set up a quick table for credit hours, grade, and a product. And of course, what everyone will do and of course, an A is worth 4 points. A are 4 points. B's are 3 points. C's are 2 points. D's are 1, and F's are zeros. So my first class is a 4-credit class. I got an A in that. So that grade is going to be worth 4 credits at 4 points for GPA, towards GPA. Course 2 was 3 credits. I got a B in it. Course 2 is 2 credits. And I got a C in it. And the last thing I need to do is to do some totals. So 4 times 4 is 16. 3 times 3 is 9. 2 times 2 is 4. If I add my credit hour columns up, I get 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 credits. If I add my points up, I got 16, I got 29. Now if I take my grade points over total credit, I am missing a class. Aha. I am missing this 4-credit course that I got C in. The 2-credit course I actually got a B in. Two times 3 is 6, 4 times 2 is 8. Again, this total, that's 4, 8, 10, so it's 13 credits. 16, 22, 39 points towards my GPA. And GPA would just be your points calculated over how many credits you have, which gives me a GPA of 3.0 GPA, 39 divided by 13. Okay. All right, let's go to the next one. Okay, next term, your friend had a 15 credit semester and you got a 3.5 on it. Now calculate his cumulative GPA. Okay, so basically we had a 13 credits at a GPA of 3.0, which was good for 39 points. The next semester we had 15 credits and we had 3.5 GPA, and that is good for 15 times 3.5, 2.5 points. So let's total my credits for 28 credits. Total my points for 9 and 2 is 11, carry the 1, for 91.5 points. So my new cumulative GPA should be the points over the credits. Or 3.27 GPA. It went up. That's what we did. Okay. The next class, excuse me, our exploration of stat column graphs will be based on an observational study and relationship between two variables, the medical condition autism spectrum disorder and IQ. The Center for Disease Control and Prevention regularly conducts observational studies. Information is here, but if we just click on this guy, we'll get to it. So use this data to click on this guy, and that'll bring you up, wrong button, to see this data in graph form. Okay, so let's see what the questions are. Review the prompt and enter your response in the box. Check your answer when you are finished. Next class, we're going to look at stat columns. Again, there's data. Oh, here's a question. In this study, how many states were involved? Well, let's see, I got percentages here. Oh, here's states. I have Arizona, Arkansas, Georgia, Maryland, New Jersey, North Carolina, Utah, and total. Wait a minute, total's not a state. 7 states. Yes, 7 states were involved in the study. Next question. Okay, so it's in 2010 study, analyze, blah, blah, okay. So we have 3 variations. We have one color purple for over 85, orange between 71 and 85, and blue for less than 70. Here's a question. Estimate percentage of males in the over 85 category for Arizona. That's the purple. There's Arizona. There's male. There. Okay. Now we look over here. We've got two. They've already filled in two of the blanks. That's 29. That's 25, and the rest should be the other one. But add these two guys up. 5 and 9 is 14. Carry the 1. 2 and 2 is 4 plus 1, so 54%, which is about, I would estimate that to be 54. Let's got to add to 100. So let's subtract the 54 from 100 for 46%. Yep, 46%. Now, if that wasn't given to us, we would have had to have looked at the graph and, okay, realize this is what we're looking for. I want to find how much is there. Well, there's 100, and there is I would have estimated about 54%, and I still would have done 100 minus 54 for 46%. Next question. Again, using the chart over there, estimate the percentage of females in Arizona, which fall in each of the IQ categories. Okay, so again, so now look at females, Arizona, and we're given this guy, he has 34, and I would agree that's 34%. And we look at this one, that appears to be about not quite halfway, so I would say 57%. So 0, 34, 57, 100 percentage. So let's see. So for 7185, that appears to be 57 minus 34, or 23%. And for the last one, 100 minus 57, for 43%. Oh, wrong way. Wrong button. See, I said 23, 43, 23, 43. 23, 43. We are correct. Next question. Oh, confidence ones. How confident that you can compute a weighted average? Hopefully, very confident. How confident you can determine percentage from a stacked column graph? Hopefully, very confident. Just make sure you're in the right column and you properly estimate numbers to subtract from each other. Oh, that's no big secret. And let's see, we did this, yes, and we did this. which means we are done. So go back and look them over and check out yourself. And I'll see you shortly for doing question 1 and question 2 of lesson 16B, looking for links.